Hi, it's Reset, and today I will show you how to fix battery drain problem on Motorola Moto Neo 60. So first, open the settings on your phone, then scroll into the battery. And here we have the battery saver, and here enable the standard battery saver. Also, you have the maximum battery saver, but I do not recommend it because it restricts system functions. Then go into the display. Here, enable adaptive brightness or just lower the brightness right here. Use the dark theme. Scroll here and screen timeout, shorten this time to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.